Good morning, students. From the geometry, we will start the new topic, that is circle for 9th standard, as we have already completed the two topics from geometry, that is first trigonometry and second is coordinate geometry. This topic already we have completed. Now we will start with the new topic that is circle. Okay. So in this lecture we will see the introductory part of the circle. What are the circle? What is the component of the circle? In the circle, how many chords are there? What are the radius? What are the diameter? That things we have to learn. Okay. So first of all, you can see here. Suppose I am making this circle. I am drawing the circle here. Suppose this is the circle. Suppose this is the circle with center O. Okay. So here it is the circle and the center is O, and and the radius. Okay. So radius is nothing but the distance from center to the circle is called radius. Suppose OP is the radius. Okay. When I am taking the distance from center to the circle is called radius. OP is the radius. OQ is the radius. Okay. And so likewise we can make any radius. OR is the radius. Okay. So radius is nothing but the distance from center to the circle, circumference of the circle, that is called radius. What is the diameter? Diameter is nothing but the twice of the radius. When you extend this radius, you will get a diameter. Okay. Suppose I am taking the point here L. So LP is the diameter. Okay. Suppose likewise I am continuing this radius, suppose you will get a diameter. Likewise if I am continuing this, you will get a diameter. Okay. The twice of the radius is called the diameter. Okay. So here the radius are OP, OQ, OR and OL. Okay. And if you extend the radius, you will get a diameter. Okay. So here LP is a diameter. Okay. And what are the chords? Chords is nothing but the distance from circle to the circle. This is the chord. RP is a chord, PQ is a chord. Okay. The LQ is a chord. Okay. Suppose in a circle, the chord is nothing but the distance from the end points of the circle. This is the chord. AB is a chord. Okay. Suppose this is the center here, and if I am drawing the chords from passing through the center, so this will be the largest chord of the circle. This will be the largest chord of the circle. So here in the circle there are two chords. First is AB, the smaller chord, and PQ is the largest chord. The largest chord of the circle is the diameter of a circle. So these are the components that you have to learn. Next thing, what is a tangent? Tangent is nothing but when you draw any segment which touches the circle externally, at point Q, and this is called the tangent. What we can say, it is called tangent. Okay. The tangent is nothing but the segment, the line which touches the circle externally, okay, at any point is called the tangent. Same here. Suppose I am taking point L, and if I draw this segment, you will get a tangent. Through R you will get a tangent. Through P you will get a tangent. So we can make many tangents, okay, to the circle. Okay. First of all, radius. What is the radius? Radius is nothing but the distance from center to the circle. What are the diameter? Diameter is the largest chord of a circle and which will passes through the center. Second, what is a chord? Chord is nothing but the distance from the end points of the circle. End points, any end points. AB is the end points of a circle. Circle को कोई भी end points को जब मैं joint करूँगा, you will get a chord. What is a tangent? Tangent is nothing but the segment which touches the circle externally. Okay. So here these are the main important points. Now we will see the first property of the circle. The first property of the circle is, we can see here, suppose I am taking a circle here. This is the center and suppose I am taking a chord here, the chord AB. So one property is there, when you draw any chord and when you draw any segment from a center, the distance from center to the chord bisect the chord. Bisection का मतलब क्या होता? Bisection is nothing but okay the segment which will divide the chord in two equal parts. Means suppose I am taking point M here, so AM would be equal to MB and OM will be the perpendicular bisector. So here in any circle, if I am taking any chords, okay, and the distance from circle to the chord bisect the chord. Suppose this is the chord and this is the center. Suppose I am taking the distance from here, and suppose this is CD is a chord, and suppose I am taking a distance from O, and here it is D. Okay, suppose here it is P, and OP is the distance from center to the chord. Okay, and this segment will bisect the chord in two equal parts. Bisection is nothing but, suppose the length of CD is 8. Okay, then the length of CP will be 4, and then the length of PD is again 4. Again I am explaining here, listen here everyone. Bisection is nothing but which divide the segment into two equal parts. Suppose I have a segment CD with unit 8 unit, with magnitude 8 unit, and suppose I am taking a distance from center to the chord. So when you draw any distance from center to the chord, this segment will divide the tangent chords in two equal parts like CP and PD. So suppose CD is 8 centimeter, then the value of CP will be 4 and the value of PD will be 4. Likewise, this is the property of distance from center to the chord here. Okay, so the statement will be for this theorem is called number 1, the distance from center to chord bisect the chord. Okay, when you draw any distance from center to the chord, that segment distance will bisect the chord. Okay, means OM is perpendicular to here, OM is perpendicular to AB, and here OP is perpendicular to CD. So this is the property that you have to learn. Understood? Now we'll see the example. Okay, now we'll see the example related to this. Here the first question is given that, now here you can see the question I have written here. Question number 1, the distance of a chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle. So here one, that the circle is given with chord AB. So we'll draw the circle here. Suppose this is the circle. I am taking a circle. Suppose this is the circle, and here suppose I am taking a chord. Okay, suppose this is the chord AB. Okay, with center O. This is a circle with center O and the chord AB is given. What is the length of the chord is given? The distance of a chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. Means the distance from center to the chord is 8 centimeter. This already given. Okay, suppose I am taking point M here, and the chord length is 12 centimeter is given. The length of the chord is given 12 centimeter. So AB is 12 centimeter, and this divides into two equal parts. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the diameter. So before finding the diameter we have to calculate the radius. जैसे radius मिलेगा वही radius का double part क्या हो जाएगा? Diameter. What we can say? Diameter. Okay, so here this is the question. Okay, in the question you can see it is given that the distance of a chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle. Okay, so let's start with this example. So first we'll write let AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, AB is given 12 centimeter. Then we'll write this statement. Okay, the theorem is given that the distance from center to the chord bisect the chord. जो भी हम लोग distance draw करेंगे center से chord को, वो distance chord को क्या करेगा? बाइसेक्ट करेंगे. कितने पार्ट में बाइसेक्ट करेंगे? इक्वल पार्ट में. सो विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट, द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सेंटर टू chord bisect the chord. Okay, therefore, okay, this will divide. So AM is equal to MB is equal to half of AB. Okay, half of AB means bisect कर रहा है. So this two segment will be equal, AM and MB. तो AM और MB calculate करने के लिए we have to take the half of the total segment which is called AB. So we'll write here 1/2 will be same into the length of AB is 12 centimeter. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, which will be 6 centimeter. Therefore AM is equals to MB is equal to 6 centimeter. We have got the value of this will be 6 and 6. Now you can see there is a triangle here forming a triangle OMB. Okay, and this triangle is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle OMB and here angle OMB is 90 degree. So hypotenuse will be OB. So here we can use a Pythagoras theorem. What we can use here? We can use a Pythagoras theorem. Now we can see how will we use the Pythagoras theorem. So first we'll write here. First we will write in triangle OMB. Okay, in triangle OMB we can see in triangle OMB, OB is the hypotenuse, will be the formula will be OB square is equals to OM square plus. In triangle OMB we will use a Pythagoras theorem. Like here you can see in triangle OMB, OB is the hypotenuse, OM is the side 1 and OB is the side 2. So here it is given that, okay, MB we have got 6, okay, OM we have got 8 and we have to find OB. Okay, so first of all we will use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OMB we'll use OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square. So you can see here OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square. OM is 8 square, MB is 6 square. 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. So OB square is 100. When you're taking square root on both the side, we'll write here taking square root on both sides. So what you will get? You will get OB square, you will get OB और 100 का square root हो जाएगा 10 centimeter. So we have got OB is 10 centimeter. What we have got? We have got OB is 10 centimeter. Yes or no? Understood? What we have got? Okay, so that is radius. Okay, so OB is the hypotenuse, OM is the side 1, MB is the side 2. So using Pythagoras theorem we have got OB. Now BD is a diameter, but in the question we have to find the value of diameter. We have to calculate the value of diameter. So what we will write? BD is the diameter and diameter is the twice of the radius. BD diameter क्या रहता है? Radius का double होता है. So what we will write here? Therefore BD is equal to 2 times of OB and 2 into OB कितना है? 10. 2 10s are 20. So BD आ गया तुम्हारा 20 centimeter and that BD is nothing but diameter and that BD is nothing but diameter. So we'll write here therefore the diameter of circle is 20 centimeter. Therefore the diameter of circle is 20 centimeter. So with this we have completed the first question. Okay, in the first question they have given one chord and value of the segment from center to the chord. Okay, so we have to know the first property, first theorem, that is the segment which is from center to the chord bisect the chord. Any segment which are passing through the center and bisect the chord, okay, that will be in the perpendicular form. Perpendicular bisector we can say. So this AB divide into two equal part AM and MB. So with this we have completed the question number 1. In the next period, in the next lecture we will see the another example. Thank you so much. Good morning students. As you know, we have started the circle. In the last lecture we have seen the introductory part and we have completed the one example from the practice set. Now this is the question number 2 from the circle. Okay, So here in the question it is given that the diameter of a circle is 26. Okay, the diagram is not there in the question, only the question is there in the word form. We have to make a diagram using this question. Okay, first we'll read the question. Diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. Length of the chord is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Means in this circle two values are given. One is given, that is the diameter is given 26 centimeter. Second thing, length of the chord is given 24 centimeter, and we have to calculate the distance from center to the chord. So here I have made the diagram. AB is your chord and BD, you can see this is the diameter, and OB and OD are the radius, and we have to find the distance of OM. किसका distance find out करना है? OM का distance we have to calculate. ठीक है, ये जो OM है, this OM is nothing but the distance from center to the chord. तो हमें OM calculate करना है. AB is given, the value of AB is given, that is 24 centimeter. Okay, but M is dividing this AB into two equal part. Suppose this AB is 24, then AM and MB will be 12 and 12. ठीक है, here BD is given means total diameter is given, radius is not given. Okay, so we have to take the half part. तो BD का half लेंगे, diameter 26 है तो 26 का half लेंगे तो what you will get 13. So BO is 13 and OD will be 13. Okay, now we'll start the example. First we'll write diameter is 26. तो diameter किसे denote किया है? BD से. तो BD is 26 centimeter. Second what we have given, length of the chord. Length of the chord है AB. AB is 24 centimeter. Okay, these two things are given in the question. Now we'll write the statement and theorem. What statement? Which theorem says? The theorem says that, ठीक है, the distance from center to the chord bisect the chord. इसका मतलब होता है जो भी डिस्टेंस हम लोग सेंटर से कॉर्ड पर ड्रॉ करेंगे वो डिस्टेंस कॉर्ड को इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है. इक्वल पार्ट मीन्स ए बी का पार्ट है टोटल, तो ए बी को अगर मैंने ए बी पे अगर सेंटर ओ से मैंने कोई सेगमेंट ड्रॉ किया एट पॉइंट एम पे, तो ये एम ए बी का मिड पॉइंट होगा. क्या होगा? मिड पॉइंट. मिड पॉइंट मीन्स ये एम पॉइंट ए बी को दो इक्वल पार्ट में क्या करेगा? डिवाइड करेगा. ठीक है, तो अभी ए बी का वैल्यू दिया हमारे पास 24. तो फर्स्ट विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट. द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर to the chord bisect the chord. Therefore AM is equal to MB is equal to half of AB. हमेशा एक काम याद रखो, जब भी तुमको कॉर्ड का वैल्यू दिया रहेगा तो कॉर्ड को हमेशा AB से डिफाइन करना है, और इसको जो डिवाइड करता है सेगमेंट वो मिड पॉइंट को M से डिफाइन करने का. नोटेशन के लिए बहुत सिंपल हो जाएगा, तो हमेशा मैं यही कंसिडर करता हूँ, तो आप भी यही कंसिडर किया करो. हाफ सेम. अब ए बी का वैल्यू दिया 24, विल राइट हियर 24. नाउ यू कैन डिवाइड दिस 24. ओके, तो विल राइट हियर 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 4. व्हाट यू विल गेट 12. तो ए एम इज इक्वल टू एम बी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट वी हैव गॉट 12 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी हैव गॉट एम एंड एम बी. ये भी 12 मिल गया, ये भी 12 मिल गया. ओके, अब डायमीटर दिया है, अब डायमीटर का हाफ लेना है. जब मैं डायमीटर का हाफ लूँगा तो मुझे रेडियस मिलेगा. द डायमीटर इज गिवन 26. अब कैसा करेंगे देखो. ना हियर वी हैव गॉट ए एम एंड एम बी इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो दिस वी हैव गॉट ए एम एंड एम बी. नाउ द डायमीटर इज गिवन बी डी एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द लेंथ ऑफ ओ बी. So what we'll write here? We'll write here BD is equal to 26 centimeter is given. BD is 26 centimeters are given. So BD is a diameter and we have to calculate BO and OD. तो क्या लिखेंगे? B therefore BO is equal to OD is equal to half of BD. क्यों diameter का half क्या होता है? Radius होता है. So here you can see BD is a diameter and OB and OD are the radius. So we'll write here half of BD. BD का वैल्यू कितना दिया है? 26. Write here 26. You divide it. What you will get? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So therefore BO is equal to OD is equal to 13 centimeter. बराबर? We have got this value. Okay. Now OB और OD मिल गया 13. अब इसमें पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करके वी विल फाइंड OB. व्हाट वी विल फाइंड? वी विल फाइंड OM. ठीक है, नाउ विल यूज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have calculate AM and MB, that is 12. Secondly, we have calculate BO and OD taking half length. Okay, now we'll go to the right angle triangle OMB. So we have got two length, that is MB is 12 and OB is 13. Okay, now here we will see in triangle OMB. Okay, so here we'll write in triangle OMB. Okay, we'll write here in triangle OMB. This is a right angle triangle OMB. Okay, you can see here in triangle OMB, OB is hypotenuse, OM is side 1 and MB is side 2. Okay, so what we will write here? So using Pythagoras theorem we will write OB square. This is your hypotenuse and this is your side 1 and this is your side 2. सबको दिखाई दे रहा? OB is your hypotenuse, OM is your side 1 and MB is your side 2. So using Pythagoras theorem we will write OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square. Okay, then OM is nothing but the length of OM is given, that is we have to calculate. OM is not given, MB is given 12 and OB is given 13. So right here OB square 13 square is equal to OM square we have to calculate and is equal plus 12 square. Okay, after that we'll take the square of 13. 13 का square क्या होता है बच्चों? You already know the square of 13 is 169 is equal to OM square plus 12 square is 144. This 144 will go here. 144 169 minus 154 is equal to OM square. This is positive. When you shift here, it will become negative. ठीक है? अभी 169 में से 144 निकालो. What you will get? You can simplify here. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 25 आ गया. 25 is equal to OM square. When you are taking square root, 5 is equal to OM. Therefore the length of OM is 5 centimeter. जब length of OM 5 centimeter मिल गया, that is your answer. So OM is 5 centimeter. So here we have got the length. Find the, क्या question में क्या बचा था? Find the distance of a chord from the center. Therefore here the distance from chord, distance of a chord from the center is OM. Okay, here it is center, O is the center, M is the distance of a chord. So total OM is the distance from center to the chord. Then we have got the value of OM here, it is 5 centimeter. So answer is completely here, it is there. Okay, so this example is very simple. Okay, just we have to know the only one theorem, that is a distance from center to the chord bisect the chord. Using this theorem only we have to calculate, solve the example. Okay, so first in this AB is the total chord is there and M divide the AB in two equal parts. Then we have given AB is 24. Then AM and MB will be 12. हाफ कर देने का, तो 24 का हाफ किया तो क्या आ गया? 12. सिमिलरली डायमीटर दिया था, उसका हाफ किया तो रेडियस मिल गया. देन विल यूज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इन द ट्रायंगल, वी गॉट द आंसर. ठीक है, सो विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीट दिस एग्जांपल. ओके, नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू सो मच.